Badwam TV Badwam Jumade eso ye de radia se ya fofie da no ye de awie suku nkoda nko ana ne wo mo enku school no wa kyerɛkyerɛfo ye ya ka ne de obi ekwadwuma se de mampani mahama eka no no anopai nsam asie no na braso se ye de bra wo Adom TV Badwam kase de obeti wo mu bi ne mampani John Dramani Mahama de ato Ghana fo nyina anim se ye nhwe kwan ye befa so a yen sika samototo ye be ni ye ne mom yankwadane ade so ankoto obi so se de bia ye kosere ye de honsam no ebebro wo boko ene mia bi ntokwa ekoso wo honso wo de atodwa se ye masumdue emra eno ne sembi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase a wo hwe me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV at 119 DSTV at 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube kwa adomonline.com sansem eni bebre so ewo ho medidi afia amankwa tamaklo miduku amabone kama fefe eye Stella Aqua Mrs Stella Aqua na daroma makeup artist and watch many mabomi duku fefe sa no ya fei eni de mientie se de nsam ni chemu ankasa etie Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama de to Ghana fo nyina nim se yen ankasa yen hu kwan ye befa so aboa ayen hihye bi ebetumi aboa me yensi kasa magina brane no eno ne yenye sebe ya da na ye de yen ho to afoforo so no eno so betumi aba fom Ghana yen fi hye aduosie enwotwe ase eno de sansemi etudwa.
Discussions about our independence often highlight our reliance on imports, on donor aid and IMF bailouts as signs of continued dependence. This reminder is repeated so often that while undeniably real, it risks becoming a cliché. Yet the entire efficacy of this reminder lies not in just repeating it, but in our willingness to take decisive action. Actions that will break the chain of dependency, not just the empty rhetoric of an Africa that is beyond aid. Proclaiming self-reliance while marching straight back to the donors, into the hands of the donor agencies, begging bowl in hand, is really meaningless.
As one more, Ghana man penny sad piece to say.
And to do this, we must look within and make sure that we are raising revenue domestically. This administration is working to implement the 24-hour economy program to ensure that our economy never goes to sleep. This will allow us to create the necessary job expansion, boost productivity, increase our exports capacity and trade footprint, and also reduce our dependence on foreign aid.
Mampani dwumadie no asia no na wasade tudwa se boko ene walewale ne mia hodo bi antokwa ekoso no wasawani die mu a wonfo wakode ne nyina ngu fom se be ya sumdwe ebekoso atna ho.
Dr. Kwame Nkrumah understood the essence of unity, not only in Ghana but on the entire African continent, when he said, and I quote, "The forces that unite us are inherently and far greater than the divisions imposed upon us." In the spirit of unity and brotherhood that this independence represents, I wish to speak directly to you, my brothers and sisters, in Boko and everywhere in our land where conflict is raging. I do not speak as president, but as your son and brother, in whose hands you have entrusted a solemn duty. The people of Boko and other areas, it is time for lasting peace to prevail.
Enochi no omampanyi sane to omamfo mpotemu honoma wonomo edisi ani emrano ne se wonomo enyai esanse ehonomo na wo madache ewo enti bibiara wonomo ebeye no wonomo nwene wo mano dache
Enra sabre na nyagro ewo multimedia yenimo ha yekokomlemle fisa na ya Adom TV Fufuo party ne ohia na wasanka moye mane ye fedodo ebroso dodo emumre wane nkokora enkwada moye mane ye fe ebia na fa wani so kakra yenkwo enra na esiye ewon kran
easy kra pressure na no ye de enkwan na mbi ye kra Fufuo mba ye kra na line wa ha no na nye line ketiwa kra
omanfo ba enkwan bensa no mo ne ji ho se ombi
enkwan live soup tilapia soup omo ne ji ho pa
odika ba benkwan na ye saban kwan na ebo pa
ka chiro e to forma na apayo Royal VVIP ye ma me ne the spoon eti yankwa why they talk from say so na paito.
Papa, he fana mu free na mo djuma ko ni din de say.
If you don't know say be to ba ni be country. You don't say Johnson.
And then they can amaba Fufuo party.
Last year energy award no. This year so you trust say be this award this account.
This year o hwe ahokeka na e te say.
Last year no it's Easter. Into your home no bebre, but this year I'm going to draw so far. You say this year I don't TV on my idea. Which operation now a draw so last year no.
And which you know, Omanfobia na wono so edq ma watch and say, e be do won so ama wono so anya Fufuo ni bi edi. E den sem we say eto ye nenem. Enti Fufuo ne nkwan ben na wo hwe ni mu say obedi.
Oh, hwe ni say nya Fufuo ni ramunam a. Ramunam say o twenam. Anything ma be do say.
Ubedu ha no ahokeka no hu ne say.
Oh, koye pa.
Enti Fufuo ne nkwan ben ne wo ba bedi.
E ba bedi ebu ne bu ne nkwan.
Enti enne de akoso e wo Multimedia Forecourt hanom sei no. Afi bia Adom TV Fufuo party 6th of March e re hyehye so. Ade na wo twen se enne ne wantimi amba mesro bomodian se afimpinu ne aduanu nsia nyame boy ne yetinkoma na wote se ye bode road afa Adom TV Fufuo party wa mesro se bra be pie mu de ohia ene wasanka tintim e be koso ama won so wotimi nya Fufuo ne bi edi nyame de ma ne boy ebre Adom TV medi ne salasi amu
Mayenya no so na yemfa kase no ensi ha yegusua ne yeda mu ase yekwaba na yedede bonkrata no ne abeka yensa ene ni online de no so ato so twen yekwaba